Hello and welcome to a small series of recordings on the Meinberg Network Management System. First of all, what is the Meinberg NMS? It's an out-of-the-box solution which is based on data miner and exclusively sold by Meinberg. It comes with a fixed set of features and functionalities to manage, control and monitor a Meinberg ecosystem. Important to know, it's not limited to Meinberg products only. You can always expand the Meinberg NMS with any third-party product. What you see here is a blank Meinberg NMS system. How did we get there? You simply take a data miner installer, you apply the Meinberg NMS package, you run a small script, and this is what you get. In the next step, we automatically wanna discover Meinberg products and provision those in data miner. What do you need to do? You go to the equipment page, you click on Discover. It's using data miner infrastructure discovery and provisioning suite of tools under the hood. You specify your IP address range. In that case, we only look for one single IP address. The reason for that is in our lab system here, we have one single IP for all our Meinberg products, but each product uses a different port. So that's possible as well. Then you click on Next. You select your CI types. This equals your Meinberg products. You see we can discover the Meinberg LAN time series, individual Meinberg cards, modular, non-modular series, all Meinberg products. Instead of selecting individual ones, I take it simple. I just say select them all CI types, and I can click on Discover. Instead of clicking the Discover button, I could also go for Save and Discover. Then I save those settings as a template and I can reuse them later again. It will take a little while, and then you see we have already detected by scanning the network a couple of devices, different LAN time products from Meinberg. Once that is done, progress is by 100%. In the next step, I select them all and I click on Provision. What happens next? We start adding those elements as managed objects to the Meinberg NMS, and you see them popping up one after the other on the left hand side in our surveyor. You see in our lab we have a series of different products. LAN time M1000 has just been discovered. There are a couple of LAN time M100, M200, M300, 400, 600 devices, so different types of devices, and you see it's still popping up, the list is growing. That happens fully automated under the hood. There's nothing you need to do. What you see as well on the left hand side are all those different colors. That means we start monitoring the devices already under the hood. We automatically apply a default alarm and default trend template. And right now, as we are done, the system still moving on a bit, discovering new devices, starts monitoring those, and we are fully set up to monitor your Meinberg ecosystem. That's all you need to do. And you see, within like 2-3 minutes, you have done your complete setup. Not all data has been populated here yet. Why is that? We need to initially poll each and every device for each and every parameter. And you see, this still takes another minute or two until we have all the data available to fully monitor and control all those devices. A very brief overview on our landing page. Here we have the device state representing LED alarm status information. This represents also the LEDs available at each front panel of each Meinberg device. There are reference time LEDs, time service LEDs, network LEDs. Here we have our inventory summary with some basic information like the device state. Is it free running? Is it synchronized? The model, the firmware, the revision, the operating system, and the uptime. Basic information. Now we are all done. All the information except for one, which is still pending, is ready. That's all you need to do. And once more, you see after a few clicks, after like 5 minutes maximum, you are all set. And we monitor the Meinberg ecosystem. In the next small video, we will go into details what you can do once everything has been set up. What are your typical things you want to do, you need to do as an operator. Thanks very much for listening. See you in the next small video.